Check out this updated video showcasing the incredible low light capabilities of the Insta360 Ace Pro. After a follower pointed out that I hadn't enabled the low light stabilization mode in my previous video, I decided to redo it, ensuring the best quality as this camera deserves it. With low light stabilization turned on in pure video mode, this camera truly shines in super low light conditions. Wearing it on my neck mount, link in the description below, I'm amazed at the brightness it adds to the footage, surpassing the actual lighting conditions. The detail and quality are outstanding, with minimal noise. Have you seen another camera perform this well in low light? The Insta360 Ace Pro is your go-to for capturing life in any situation. It's a set and forget camera that delivers real results. Check out the footage and decide for yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you would like to purchase this camera, use the link in the description below and get a free screen protector and t-shirt.